Ngayon, for my 30th birthday. Ang plinano ko for today is just a simple salo-salo. With circuit breaker. Ayan. Ayan na yung lolo mo.
Diba pangkoy? Saan naging deeping pool yan? Saan ko paling tignan? Diba? Diba siya na deeping pool? Deeping pool lang ba? I mean, siyempre medyo malilito siya because of the time.
Birthday mo ba?
Regalo ko sa'yo.
Anong regalo mo sa akin? Sarili mo. Yeah, always. His present is his presence. Grabe! Oh my gosh. Diyan. Oh, dito. Dito.
Natros ka na po.
Oh.
Sabi, yung puno ng anak namin.
Guys, okay na yung bubong namin. Kanina, kausap na namin yung sa actual bubong. Close deal. Guys, our pool. More like a mud bath right now. Hindi siya pool. But we're getting there. Mark, wala ngayon kasi he just got back. Nasa airport pa lang siya. Kakauwi lang niya galing Biliran for work. So ako muna and si Tito Romel ang hands-on sa Casa Corky. And this is the latest, biggest update. We're already digging the pool. Sa nakikita nyo guys, hindi siya ganun kalaki. Hindi siya Olympic pool. It's a dipping pool lang talaga. A place where we can just chill, tambay, magpalamig, and something for the kids to enjoy. I really like the size of it. Sakto lang siya. Yung ganitong size ng pool, hindi rin siya ganun ka, wow, wait, yan. Hindi rin siya ganun ka heavy sa budget. It's not too big and it's not too small. Kahit sa pag-maintenance niya, hindi ganito kalaki yung magiging gastos for the budget. Kuryente and water and chemicals to maintain the cleanliness of it, syempre. Hindi siya Olympic pool, guys. Baka kasi iniisip nyo yung pinapagawa naming pool ay pang laps talaga. It's just a pool for us as a family to bond, to enjoy, swim around and have fun. To really enjoy his childhood, you know. Also, guys, sobrang init kasi sa bansang to. I mean, it's so hot in the Philippines. I feel like it's getting hotter by the year. It's just nice to have a pool to cool down instead of always relying on the air conditioning. I'm really excited. Oh my god, look at that. Before kasi hindi ko pa siya ma-imagine, nakakasya siya, pero kasyang-kasya pala. Ang luwag pa ng lanay. We're here, we're putting the CR. But Ayan na yung aming... Dito, ano tawag dito?
Panel board.
Panel board.
With circuit breaker.
With circuit breaker. Ayan guys. Oh my God. Malapit na siya. So currently, yung bahay ay 60% na. Welcome to our salas. Na puro... puro mga bag pa. Semento. Puro semento pa. Okay, wait. Let's go upstairs. I'll show you upstairs, guys. Ang daming bago sa second floor. Yeah, look at this. That's my CR. That's my CR.
May magigitong unang
Tapos dito may drainage, tapos hose. May garden tayo dito eh.
Agagin mo dito?
Ha?
Agagin mo dito?
Garden?
Fish panda lang yan.
Ay naku! Koy, ano, kaso araw dito eh.
Si, okay lang yan. No? Diba?
Ay, ikaw bahala.
Gagawin ko bang, Mang Boy, magagawin ko bang imbis na ibalita ako halaman ko dito? Gagawin ko kayang fish pan ko. Pwede? Anong gagawin natin?
waterproofing, tiles.
Waterproofing ano, Ichi?
Ikaw, Ichi. Bahala ka.
Gagano yung isla. Eh di kailangan taasan.
Di sa halaman uli na yun. Pwede kong lagyan ng mga parang pantas ng halaman.
Saka yung doon sa ano, let's.
May pala, yung pala ba, Ichi, pwede naman naman doon ng halaman mo?
Doon yun.
Oh, pero baka naman mahulog.
Hindi, like mga paso na heavy duty na.
Oo.
Fish pan. Fish pan talaga.
Oo nga eh.
Hindi, okay na yan.
Hindi,
Pinitas mo yan.
pinataas ko to. Kasi nung before, masyadong mababa.
Gusto mo talaga fish pan.
Gusto.
Nakahukay lang.
Gagano din yung isla. Pag nandito.
Ay, yung koi, Ichi.
Parang koy.
May pero pang koy. Kami, basically koy. Wala problema ko may araw, okay lang.
Perfect.
Yung window, wala pa tayo.
Ayan na, buka na.
1 meter, man. English, gusto mo English? Bisaya, gusto mo Bisaya? Ilocano, gusto mo? Apo, gusto mo?
Yan yung gusto ni Heras na flooring ng fish pond yan and the walls of the fish pond. Ito si Mark magde-decide para sa lanay. Ayan, hirap ang decision niya. Ang dami nang biglang kailangan, nakaka-shock. Kanina pa kami sa site, guys. Kung naamoy niyo lang ako, amoy araw na pawis na alikabok ako. So tired. And I'm so stinky na. Pero, kailangan na kaming mamili ng tiles for the CRs and the lanay. And hopefully, we make a decision by tonight kasi tomorrow, kikikabin na ni Tito Romel. And ikakabit na agad sa bahay. So si Mark magde-decide para sa lanay kasi marami siyang gusto.
Ay, ganito po? So, pwede na siya diretso ng
Ito boy. Sa aquarium mo. Lapit sa ring pool.
Hi guys! For the vlog! Tingnan mo, hindi mapakali si Hera, so sa kaniyang fish pond. I didn't expect it to be this big. It's really big pala.
It's not small. It's not too big. It's for kids, for family. Yung iba pag sinasabi, paggawa ka ng dipping pool. Ano naging dipping pool yan? Malaki pa rin tignan. Diba? Di ba tawag na dipping pool? Dipping pool lang ba? I mean, siyempre medyo maliliit pa siya because of the tire. Pero, Diyos ko po.
Wow! Wow! Happy birthday
To you. Happy. Ito last quarter. Birthday. Happy. To you, birthday. Me. Huh?
It's my birthday sa Lubong.
How old are you? Birthday sa Lubong. Ay.
I'm
Officially
13.
30. 30. Malapit na yung age mo sa akin.
Ganon. Guys, I feel so old.
Hindi, huwag ka mag-birthday.
So Mark bought this. Cheat day ko daw. Kasi birthday ko nga. So, since it's officially my birthday sa Lubong, kakain kami ng burger! I haven't eaten burgers for a long time now. And if you know me personally, you'll know burgers are my favorite thing in the whole wide world. And sushi. Daming bilhin ni Hera. Sirang-sira yung diet ko ah. Saya ka?
This is yours. Ay, Nainay.
Ha?
Nainay.
Nainay. Cookie.
Si Cookie, sinigang yun eh.
Yeah. I just finished. It's currently 4 a.m.
Oh, really?
I know. Bad parents. No, I stayed up late because I was editing and working on stuff for work. Not for the vlog, but for something else for work. I was editing some contents and stuff. And Mark was being my muse. Hindi. Marami itong ginagawa. Anong ginagawa mo? Ba't gising ka pa?
Isda, linis ng rooms, ng gamit.
A lot of things. Wala akong gagawing na bongga for my birthday. But we are gonna do something very special and we'll vlog about it tomorrow or later na pala. Pero in the meantime,
Time to eat.
kakain muna kami ni Heras. And ngayon, one of our favorite things to do, kami ni Mark, is eat while watching Netflix.
All right, people, listen up.
Feels
From
good.
Bureau's Regional Field Office.
Feels good.
Feels good to be 30. Oh, wow. Oh my God. This is mine.
Just
This is
use
my-
ano na lang. Ano na lang para linaw hugas.
What was her name? Yung ano... We're gonna watch a movie while eating.
Sa
And,
Jurassic Park cartoons?
yeah, kay Corky. Ano nga yun? Yung... Pangalan nun, yung Brooke Shields. She has a new movie out. Yun, Mother of the Bride.
Ano sa ano to ah? Trip ah. Urog na yung burger.
Kain tayo guys. Kain. Tignan mo yung ginawa ni Mark. Sulitin ko na ang aking cheat day. Ano to? Soda with vanilla ice cream. It's like a root beer float. Wala kaming root beer. So soda will do. Cheers to 30. Got onion rings. Fries. Oh, sorry, no. These are buffalo chicken things. We have French fries, and Mark has a rice meal. We have chocolate cake, and we have my burger. Hi guys! Wala naman kaming bonggang plinano or gagawin. 30.
30 na.
I'm 30 years old. And totoo nga when they say na the older you get, the more simple you want life to be.
The more tamad.
The more tamad. I'm very grateful and very contented sa mga nangyari sa buhay ko of 30 years. Lalo na ngayon for my 30th birthday. Ang plinano ko for today is just a simple salo-salo sa site, sa bahay. Masabi ko lang na na-celebrate ko na yung birthday ko sa bahay kahit hindi pa talaga officially tapos. Hindi pa kami nakakalipat doon. Si Nainay, she cooked for me on my birthday. She cooked fried rice, pansit bihon, lumpiang Shanghai, and biko, some of my most favorite foods na niluluto niya. She cooked for 30 people and we're gonna bring it na to the site. Papakainin ko lang and treat ko yung mga tauhan sa bahay, pati si Tito Romel, yung aming contractor, and si JB, yung architect namin. We're also gonna invite our neighbors na parang mga pamilya na rin namin yun, lalo na kay Mark. Matagal na niyang kilala yung mga yun. Pupunta din sila. We're on our way there. Late na nga kami kasi ang daming asikaso pa sa bahay. Syempre kasama si my little prince, Charming.
Sama si boss.
The biggest gift of my life talaga, si Corky. Yan, there's Nainay. Hi, Nainay! Tagal kami, hindi nakakapag-site visit. Well, hindi naman matagal, pero mga 1 week kami, hindi nakakapag-site visit. Well, kasi naging busy si Mark. Sobrang busy si Mark lately. Maraming work. He's from here to there, southeast, northwest of the Philippines. Ako naman was a bit busy with doing some side works and buying materials for the house. Pero sa sobrang tagal sa kakapili ng mga materials na yan, minsan din ako nakakadalaw na or nakaka-visit sa site. Ang daming updates sa bahay. It's happening so quickly. Hindi pa nagsisink in na, oh my God, in a few months, we're gonna move in na. Shocking. Very, very grateful and so happy na finally natupad na rin yung aming dream at my 30th birthday. So, here's to 30s, guys. It's an era na I'm so excited to experience na. Gone are the immaturities of the 20s. So, immaturity of the 20s, the bad decisions,
We'll see.
the late nights, the regrets. But I'm entering my 30s bright, filled with contentment and being smarter and wiser.
Yeah, ang wish ko sa'yo, just to be happy and good health, syempre, for Corky. And happiness, at sana mag-enjoy ka sa bahay.
Manahimik na ako, no, Ichi?
Yes. Patatahimikin mo na rin ako, finally. Sana naman.
It's actually Corky's house. It's not my house. Guys, aside from my birthday, this is actually the first of a very, very busy. This is the start of the first a consecutive amount of days na sobrang busy. Kasi diba, ito, birthday ko. So, titreat namin yung buong team. Second, this week, we have a lot planned. Unang-una, may mga kailangan kaming i-meet para suppliers, para sa bahay. Pangalawa, para darating na ang mga family galing States. At syempre kasama doon ng aking mommy and daddy. We're gonna pick them up from the airport this Monday, I think. Monday, June 3. Hindi pa kami naglilinis sa bahay. Ay, nako. I haven't cleaned my room yet. I haven't cleaned the refrigerator, yung CR. Oh my gosh. We have all this week to do that. Na maging extra clean yung bahay. Bago sila dumating lahat. Kasi aside from my parents, darating din yung mga tita ko, pati yung mga ibang pinsan ko. Marami silang darating from the States. Like ang daming reunion, grabe. Daming parties, daming ganap. It's also gonna be my mom's birthday in a few days. Kasi kasabay kami niyan eh. Ako 27. Si Mommy 31. Si Papa naman, June 7. Isang tita ko naman sa Tarlac, June 8. My dad's birthday this June 7. He's turning 60 years old. So you know na he had me when he was 30 years old. We're 30 years apart. Ako 30, siya 60. Just thinking about it. Papagod na ako. Pero of course, we're all really excited and sobrang happy sa mga ganap na parating. So yeah, let's go to the house, guys.
C-O-R-K-Y.
Yan, oh. Yan.
Wala ka, ma'am?
Wala na po. Ito. Thank you so much! Happy birthday! Thank you. Tara, pasok tayo. Pasok. JB! Didn't have to. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Birthday mo.
Guys, sino rin naman? Grabe, may mga gift-gift pa sila sa akin. Bakit? Birthday mo ba?
Yung regalo ko sa'yo.
Anong regalo mo sa akin?
Pakita mo dito.
What?
Ito.
Sarili mo. Yeah, always. His present is his presence. Ichi, look! Grabe! Aquarium! Grabe! Oh my gosh!
Boy! Hindi ako nasawa ko. Hindi.
Go upstairs! Go upstairs, baby!
Hindi ko siya baba siguro.
Maganda yan pag isang buo talaga.
Hi, Corky. Happy birthday.
Ito yung aking setup, guys. Actually, we're in our master's bedroom right now.
Rival.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Ayaw niya kasi ng happy birthday. Ay, takot siya. No more.
Kunin mo na yung kandila sa kabila.
Dito.
One more time.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday
Mahaba to. Maraming salamat! Kain na tayo! Kain na!
Hello, my boys.
Ito, kalamansi.
Sino muna? Sana daw, malasing mo daw sila.
Kain mo na! Tapos mamaya, lasingan na. Wala magtatrabaho bukas. Patay kayo dito. Okay na, okay na. Tayong drinks pala.
Sit daw siya, sit. Mabigyan mo pa po yun dyan.
Kain na po. Thank you po. Kasi soft drinks din eh.
Oo, pangalan ba? Kain mo na raw.
Hi.
Ay,
Davies! Bikini man, Davies! Success ang aking birthday. Ngayon si Mark, si Nainay, at si Corky naglakad pumunta sa walking distance kasi dito yung 7-Eleven, Watson's Pharmacy, and yung Robinson's Easy Mart. Bumili lang sila ng mga alak and extra plates and plastic spoon and forks kasi naubusan kami. Cookie! Cookie! Mama! Corky Hero! Mama! Shh! Cookie! Hindi ako nakikita.
Ay, si Daddy! Ay, si Daddy!
Uy, saan ka mapunta? Uy, sus! Swimming yung Corky, be careful, please!
Makakauwi ng buhay yan.
Yun, oh!
Yung marunong mo eh.
Paano ba yun? Naubos na yung kaw.
Ito pala yan eh.
Oo nga.
Lubok lang ko ba?
Bigay mo.
Uy, tao mo.
Alam na ako sino ang drive.
Ay, pero makakauwi ng buhay.
Makapasala ko eh.
Naligo ka pala ng Jack Daniels.
Di ba kami kasunod na dyan?
Ito yung dining, no? Lipat na.
Babakatin ko.
Foreshadowing na of the future. JB, nakainom ka na ha? Mahulog ka. Thank you! Kamukha ko siya. Pareho kaming may chan. Ay, Tito. Thank you, thank you.
Siya na nagbigay na
Hello.
Hi!
Hello.
Diba?
Look at my friendship bracelets. I love my gift. Yes.
Upload ka na?
Hindi ikaw din sa
This is for
tuhod
you.
mo.
Oh, you need. You need.
Heras Tour.
Diba? It's nice.
Friendship bracelets from Taylor Swift.
From Taylor Swift.
Yan na yung dining namin.
Kaya kunwari ito yun, oh, lalagyan mo dito ng lock, oh, yung string nakaganyan ng